Yeah, guys. So how many of you implemented cart functionality? So today I will be just taking doubt sessions, guys. So if you have any doubts, just stay back and resolve your issues. Like I just got a lot of people are getting some doubts. So you can share your screen and you can show if you have some issues. Remaining things you can start working on your part. So I told to implement remove cart functionality, right? So how many of you implemented remove cart functionality? Let me know on the chat, guys. How many of you done? Yes, no. So here in last session, I have told you, right, how to add the product in the cart. So if I want, I can select here some products, add. Plus we have to change this text also. Now if I go back here, I got here 3 product added in my cart. Now if I click on this remove, this cart should be removed. That is the one functionality you have to implement. Plus, whenever you click on this cart, add to cart, then here you have to change this text. You have to change this text to the remove cart. Okay, and you should not allow user to again click on this button. So basically you have to implement 2 functionalities here. So right now, whenever your application loads, you're showing here add to cart. Suppose if I click on this button, add to cart, you have to show one notification that product is added in the cart. Plus you have to change the button text to the remove cart. Suppose again, if you click on the remove cart button, that cart should, that particular product should be removed from the cart. Or else if he goes to this cart product, here, let's suppose I'm just adding some product in my cart. And from here also, you should be able to remove it. You should be able to remove it. So you're showing here image, you're showing this, you can show price as well. Okay. After this title, if you want, you can show the price as well. Not product dot price. You can show the price in the dollar or in whatever format you want to show. If you want, you can show here one counter also. You can show one simple counter. I am taking one div here, and in this, I want to show one counter. I am taking 2 buttons here, button 1, and then some content here. Okay, let's assume that initially 0, one more button. Here I can show plus, and here I can show minus. So like this button you can show. And to this button we can add some class btn. btn hyphen danger class btn hyphen success mx hyphen 2 or px hyphen 2, here also px hyphen 2. Just adding some text here. If you want, we can add mx hyphen 2, x hyphen 2. So here, if you click on this, you can increase or decrease this count. So here you can show all the product in the count now. Like if I just add this also, it should also be added in the cart. Okay, we have to manage this text. This text looks very big. If you want, we can decrease this text. So here what we have used H4, right? Can I make it H6? Art title. It looks very small. Okay, we can go for grid as well. We can use proper grid and we can create a layout, and in that we can display. So first of all, let's implement functionality, then you can work on UI part. So here you should be able to increase this count. So how many of you done this removing part? If not, you can start doing, guys. You have to do. If you don't do, things will not work. You have to start doing the things. So remaining things, there will be a lot of things which you have to work on. So now if you have any doubts or if you are facing any issues, you can share your screen and you can show it. If you don't have any doubts, just work on this part. So this was your assignment, okay? So if I click on this product, if I click on this add to cart, here you have to change this button text to the remove cart. If I click on that remove cart, again that product you should remove from the cart. Again, if I go to the cart, here I'm showing the list of my cart. If I want, I can remove from here as well. I should be able to remove from here as well. Okay. Just work on that part. And if you have anyone have doubts, just share your screen and let me know exactly what issues you're facing. Meanwhile, can you guys show your screen and show me how much you have done? So right now, how much you have completed? You can just show up to there. One by one, you guys can share your screen and you can show guys how much you have done. So I have given the permissions to share. So just unmute yourself, share your screen, and just show how much you have done. So who wants to go first to share their screen? If you won't share, tomorrow also I will ask the same thing. You have to show your screen, guys. You have to show how much you
Can
have
I
done.
share my screen, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yeah, yeah. So sign on.
So
Okay,
this is my login page. So once we click, we land in our home page. So this is my home page.
okay.
And there's a sign up page. The product.
Mhm.
One is a product detail. Click this one, add to cart.
Mhm.
So product added to cart. If you can to here. So this is my product one. And here click. So this is a product detail.
What is that card? I didn't get cart or card bits about us.
Oh,
This one.
sorry, that is a card only. Yeah.
Cart, right?
Yeah.
Oh. And here you can just show, here you can add one more functionality, like don't show sign up if user is logged in. Okay. So that part we have to work. So if user is logged in, don't show sign up. He should not be able to navigate sign up component. When he should be able to navigate to the sign up component if he is not logged in. On that part he can work.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. What about remaining guys? Work guys. If you don't work, then it will be difficult for you to understand the things. You have to work. While working, if you work, then only you will get doubts. You will stuck somewhere. You have to resolve those doubts. In this way, you will be learning the things. Just by watching session, you will not be able to learn the things, guys. So tomorrow, at any cost, everyone has to show the screen how much you have done. So if I'm giving some assignment, you have to tell, I have done up to here, still I got stuck here, I will be resolving it. And this is what happens in your company. Once you join, once they assign one task, they will ask you the updates. Sometimes your team lead will come and sit with you and he will ask you how much you have done, can you show? Or which part is not working, can we have a discussion on that? Or where you are facing issues, can we have a discussion on that? And if you don't show them your screen, they will simply fire you. They will not tell anything, they will just fire you. So you have to show how much you have done. Okay, there are so many things which you guys have to implement, which I won't explain because already all those things are done. So you have to work on that. So right now, first we have to work on this remove part. So here also you have two things. First of all, whenever you click on add to cart, at least you have to show some notification. At least user should be able to understand that he added the cart successfully. Plus, we have to change this button to the remove cart. So whenever he visit, he should be able to see, Acha, already this product is added in the cart. So you can go to the cart, and if you want, he can just increase the number of products. And if you want, he can decrease it. This count he can maintain here. That part. And one more part, sign up, guys. Still sign up, we have to work. So whenever I log out and if I click on create account or if I click on sign up, then I should be able to navigate to the sign up component. Right now, if you see, if I click on sign up, directly it is showing me this nav bar. It should not show this nav bar to me. And once user is logged in, you should not allow him to navigate to the sign up component. We should allow him to navigate to the sign up component only if he logouts. So once he is not logged in, from here we should allow him to go to the sign up component. But once he is logged in, then we should not allow him to navigate to the sign up component. Okay, that is one more part on which we have to work. So if you finish this part, then I will show you some other functionalities. Like right now we are adding the cart at our UI level only. In Redux, we are adding and we are showing how to send this data to server. And from there, how to fetch and how to display that flow, I can explain. But for that, you have to finish at least this part, right? There is nothing. Already you have added the product in the Redux. From Redux, you have to remove. That is what you have to learn, how to remove product from the Redux. Now this part is in your Redux, that's why displayed here. Now if I click on remove button, this product you have to remove from the Redux. That's it. The moment you remove from the Redux, this product will not be visible here. That is what you have to do. If I click on this remove button, this product should be removed from that Redux cart information. So if I go to the inspect, here we have console, here we have Redux. So in this Redux, under the product reducer, we have cart. Right now in this one product is there. If I click on this remove button from this array, you have to remove this object. If you remove this object, this will not be visible on the screen. This will not be visible on this screen. So just consider here logic like this. You have an array. In that array, let's assume that if you have multiple objects, let's assume that here every object is going to represent one product. Now, whenever I click on remove button of any particular product, that particular product you have to remove from the cart. Suppose if I click on remove button of second product, then this second product you have to remove from this array. Now you have to analyze what are the ways to remove a particular element from your array, from your array. You have to analyze that part. What are the ways to remove product from the array? Now here you can take the help of array methods. Array methods. Just think which array method is more suitable to remove and how you can use those array methods to remove a particular product from the cart. Now remember here we have to remove any particular product because we don't know, right? User will click on which remove button. Right now only one product, but like this I can have any number of products. Okay, let me just go back here. Let me add. Suppose I'm adding here this product. Here also we have to implement and add. If I go back here, if I click on this cart, I have this many. Now my requirement is if I click on, I can click on any remove button, right? I can click on any remove button here or here or here. Whichever remove button I click, that particular product should be removed. That particular product should be removed. Now how you will do that? That is what you have to think. Here we got this remove button. Okay, we have to just create a proper layout so that it will be displayed in a proper way. So for that, what we can do is everything we can add in one div. This image I can add in one div. CH4 also we can add in one div. This paragraph also I can add in one div. Over here, add to cart, cart here. And for every div, we can add text align center. Here only if I add text center, let's see how it looks. Add. Here we have more content. This we have to trim. Use splice. I will start from 0 and extract 15. Okay, I'm not adding all the names of the content, just few names I want to add. Now here, see, I like this. We can create layouts. Okay, we can add any kind of styles. I can go and I can just select something else. Add, 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 add. Now see here, I'm not able to understand that I have added this many products. And this many products are added. Now if I click on remove button, this product should be removed. Now see, all these are in one array. Now how to remove a specific product from array? That is what you have to know. Because I can click on any remove button, right? Any remove button I can click. So that particular product should be removed from the array. So if you have backend, then as a front-end developer, you need not to do anything. Just if you click on this remove, you have to send one request to a server with this product ID. Server people will delete that from the database and they will send you the latest data. Again, that latest data you have to update in the Redux and it will be updated here. So explicitly, you need not to write any logics to remove the data from your cart. Everything will be done by backend developer. Just you have to send the ID of this product to the backend people. And you have to tell that this product should be removed. They will take care of writing the logics to remove the product from the cart. But right now here we don't have backend, so here we have to manually write a code to remove this particular product from the Redux. That will help us to do like it is basically going to help you practice Redux. Now tell me, what are the array methods we have to remove a specific product from an array? From your array, if you want to remove a specific product, which method you can use for that? Or which function you can use? This is where array methods are very, very important, guys. In UI full stack also, I told there are nearly 35 plus array methods. So go and explore. Daily take one method and explore. So daily, if you practice one method, then nearly within 1 month, you will understand all the array methods. Or if you practice two methods per day, within 15 days, you will be perfect with array methods. If you practice three methods per day, then within 7 or 8 days or 9 days, you will be perfect with all the methods. So you have to work. If you don't work, things will not come. If you know array methods, then you will understand how we can use array methods in our logics. So tomorrow I want to see everybody's output, how much you have done. And the people who are already done, so just work on this remove cart functionality. Okay, there is nothing new to teach in this. Already you know everything. You know array methods, you know how to access Redux data, how to remove the data from Redux, or how to add the data in the Redux. And I have given you the clue also what you have to do. So in your Redux, there is an array where you are maintaining all the product information. Now, if I click on any remove button, that particular product you have to remove from that array. That's it. Your functionality will be implemented. Okay, today I wanted to take doubt session so that if you have any doubts while working, you can resolve it. Just go and work, guys, on this. So tomorrow, everybody has to show the screen, guys. Okay, at any cost, you have to show. Only one or two people are only showing each and every time. So I just want everybody is to show at least how much you have done. Yeah, you guys can leave and just go and implement that code, guys.